Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love pool construction and design, you're in the right place. After showing you some of our ongoing projects, today, we're taking a quick look at some of our previous swimming pool projects. This previous swimming pool construction is located in Amadeo, Cavite, a beautiful 5 by 12 meter skimmer type pool with a 2 by 2 meter jacuzzi. We made sure to use high quality materials to keep this pool durable and low maintenance. From the structural reinforcement to the tile selection, every detail was designed to ensure longevity and easy upkeep. And now, the owners are loving their private oasis. Take a look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.